If you're currently dealing with strong emotions, maybe an interview is coming up, maybe you're a little bit frustrated with your job search, here's something that might help you a little bit. I learned these 12 steps in my own mental health journey, and they've helped me quite a bit. These steps can't replace actual therapy. If you have mental health issues, please go see a licensed professional. Having said that, here's what I do. Once I realize that something feels different, I take a little bit of time. I sit down and then I go through some of these questions. Number 1, identification. This to me usually is pretty easy. Before an interview, I'm nervous. I'm actually also nervous right now about recording this video, but it's an important first step. Number 2, bodily reactions. I'm telling you, my palms are sweaty. And before every interview, I'm in the bathroom so much. My body just reacts that way. It is what it is. Number 3, the first real challenge for me, acceptance. For the longest time, I had an issue accepting my anger and accepting fear and feeling sad. Yo, why are you angry? I'm not angry! Stop telling me I'm angry! I'm still working on that, but after all, we're just human. We have emotions. Accept it. Number 4, the cause. Ask yourself, what is the exact situation that caused your emotion? Can you maybe change something about that? With a job interview or something for work, if you can't really change it, then it is what it is. Number 5, evaluation. How do you evaluate the situation that's causing your emotions? This is the most important interview of my life. Is it really? Which leads us into number 6, urgency. What makes this situation so important for you? This interview will either save my life or ruin it. Again, does it really? Is it that important? Next is experience. Looking back, have you had similar situations? How have you dealt with them? Is there something that has helped you in the past? Maybe going out for a walk, maybe doing some sports, maybe talking with friends or family. Number 8, second emotions. Quite fun for me, because for the longest time I was ashamed of my nervousness. I saw this as a weakness, and weakness is obviously bad. I'm not worthy to be here. So I stressed myself, I talked myself down for being nervous. Yeah. Healthier situations out there. What could be a positive interpretation of that first emotion? For me, I'm proud that I'm going into a direction that makes me nervous. I'm brave in a way for going for that interview, for making this video. Especially when I'm nervous, when I'm afraid of that. Number 9, impulse control. First impulse, cancel the interview. Cancel this video. Don't record anymore. Don't publish it. Or, just do it. What's the worst that can happen?
Famous last words.
Number 10. What else is happening that could contribute to your emotions right now? For me, I'm getting married in 2 weeks. Stuff is happening. Ask yourself, what can you contribute to your overall mood? Take care a little bit of yourself. Take time for yourself. Have a little bit of fun. Number 11. That one was absolutely new to me. How would you like to feel in this moment? For me, I'm feeling confident. I'm picturing Michael B. Jordan in... what's the movie? Just general. I'm just picturing Michael B. Jordan. Yeah. For confidence, I am often picturing Michael B. Jordan in pretty much any movie he's in. That helps me. And for relaxation, I'm picturing lying in a lake in North Italy, close to Bozen, and there's mountains surrounding me, there's the sun in the sky, and my body is just weightless, enjoying itself. That combination of Michael B. Jordan and lying in the lake, helps. Looking at our emotions is definitely worthwhile, but you can also spend too much time dwelling on that, which is why we should move on at this point. Number 12, shift. What else could you do right now? Have some fun. Go out with your friends. Enjoy yourself. These steps help me befriend my emotions. I have a tool to regulate them, to put everything into perspective. I also gain a little bit of control as well. And I learn to appreciate them more, to live with them and not fight them. That's it from me. Let me know if this has helped you in any way. And if you feel like it, leave me a like, subscribe, or ask me a question that bugs you about the job search process. Best of luck, and remember to stand out with emotional intelligence.